Hi guys, today I am going to show you how to delete your Threads account, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe and let's jump into video. First you need to open Threads app in your mobile phone. It can be either iPhone or Android, both processors are similar. Don't worry, this is not a web version, this is Android emulator. So after opening your Threads account, you need to go to your profile. It is in bottom right corner, just tap on it. Then now you are in your profile. You can see there is two lines in top right corner, just tap on it. Then you are in account, you need to go to account here, just tap on it, and you can see there's option called deactivate or delete profile, just tap on it. Then you have two options. You can deactivate your profile, it is temporary, and you can delete your profile. That is permanent. You can't recover your profile. And it says if you delete your profile, you can still recover it before 30 days. Okay, after 30 days your account completely vanished. So you can choose deactivate profile or delete profile. Then if choose button and just press on it. Now I am not going to do that. So this is how you can delete or deactivate your profile. If you gain some knowledge from this video, please subscribe my channel and like in the video.